Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I filmed an April BOXYCHARM Base Box unboxing and also obviously a review. If you guys are new to my channel, I do show you each product and I use it on my face. I don't know why I'm doing all these hand gestures right now, but I use them on my face so that you can tell whether each product is worth it, and in turn lets you know whether BOXYCHARM is worth it in general. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, this is my BOXYCHARM Base Box. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my most favorite box that I've ever gotten. I don't use a whole lot of hair products, so I feel like I'm not gonna wind up using this. And also when it comes to liquid eyeshadows, I'm not a huge fan either, but I'm still gonna try it out. Maybe I'll like it. First up, we have a vitamin C mask. This is the Georgette Klinger vitamin C mask. Kind of looks like foundation, but it doesn't really have too much of a scent. Kind of smells like dirt or something. Not in a bad way. Or like clay. I don't see any instructions for how to use this, so I'm not sure how long I'm supposed to leave it on for, but I'll just leave it on for like 20 minutes. I feel like that's like a standard mask time, but I don't know if I'm supposed to put on like a generous amount or a thin layer. So this is just what I'm doing. I love when masks don't have a scent to it. It just makes me take them more seriously for some reason. It feels like there's no gimmicks. But let's read a little bit about this one. So it says, revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion in minutes. Oh, so it's in minutes. With powerful infusion of vitamin C to protect skin and prevent free radical damage while boosting collagen production. This clay-based mask draws out impurities, allowing argan and avocado oils to nourish and revitalize the skin. So this is $36, which I don't think is a bad price for this guy. I mean, this is a pretty good size. I know that this is a mask, but doesn't it look like I just wore foundation? It just really looks like I have really even skin right now. Okay, so they have directions on the bottle here, and it says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse with lukewarm water. So I'll be back in like 15 minutes. All right guys, this is how it looks. I feel like my skin definitely looks more even and it looks like it's glowing, but I don't know if that's just like a placebo effect, but it does look really good. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my foundation using this guy. This is the Perfect Dual Foundation Travel Set. We have a beauty sponge here. This is a latex-free foam beauty sponge with a unique sharp tip and a flat edge. This is an exclusive travel-sized, paddle-shaped synthetic brush with a shorter handle for easier application. This duo here is $30, which I think is a great price. I mean, let me know if you guys actually use foundation brushes like this. Are these just to like apply your foundation? I always get confused when it comes to these because it says for an application, but whenever I'm using a sponge, I just kind of like plop the foundation on the sponge directly. Like I don't touch the sponge, so I don't like contaminate anything. I just kind of pump it. I feel like wiping it on is just kind of like an extra step for no reason, but I don't know. You guys let me know. But I'm gonna be mixing two foundations, so I'm gonna be using Born This Way. This is in the shade Natural Beige, and I have the Morphe Filter Effect Foundation in medium 9. And I'm gonna do 2 pumps of Born This Way, and then 1 of the Morphe one. Oh. Yeah, I mean, this kind of feels like an unnecessary step, right? Because then I'm just going in with my sponge. I do like the pointed tip of the sponge. That way you can get right underneath the eyes, just really effortlessly. You can also get the sides of your nose really nicely. It just gets right in that crevice. I'm just setting this real quick. I wound up just doing my contour real quick so we don't waste time. I also did my eyebrows and my lips since the other products don't have to do with that. But yeah, let's just jump right into the eyeshadow palette. This is the Sour You Doin' eyeshadow palette. Very summery shades. These are the Sour You Doin' eyeshadow swatches. I want to go into the shade Tart, which is that yellow shade. And I'm going to take this all over my lid as like the base shade. Because I think I'm going to go in with like a goldeny eye. I feel like it would really make that gold pop. This has a lot of pigment, which is great. I mean, you guys know that I'm not wearing an eyeshadow base, although I do have foundation on, which I always count as a base, but a lot of people don't. Now I'm gonna go into the shade, is it Cocktails? Kind of like cocktails, but Cocktails. And I'm gonna put this in my crease. These eyeshadows are nice and buttery. And this eyeshadow also has a lot of pigment, just like the yellow. So far I'm really liking this palette. Okay, now I want to go into that shade. Is it Icy? That gold shade? When things are in cursive, I'm always like, what does that say? That was that gold that I was telling you about that I really think will pop on top of this yellow. And it is. I'm grabbing more of that color Tart, which is that yellow. And I'm just putting it into the inner corners, and I'm gonna tap over it with that shade Icy, which is that same gold. I just wanna bring it in a little bit further. I'm gonna go in with that same dark brown and just go underneath the eyes. Alright guys, this is the eye look done. Let's move on to the liquid eyeshadow. This is by Lucky Chick in the shade Rose Quartz. So it looks like a super metallic pink. It doesn't really go with this eye look. I didn't really take that into consideration. But I am just gonna tap on my hand where I did that, and I'm gonna tap it on top of the yellow. I don't know if that really even made a difference. It's definitely a pretty shade. Like I said, I'm typically not a big liquid eyeshadow person. I just feel like they come off really harsh. Like it's not a gradient color, like it's not a gradient shade like an eyeshadow. Like the application just never looks really smooth to me. But I do like the way that this one really dried down. Like it just feels like nothing on there, like it just feels like an eyeshadow. But this is lightweight, long lasting, and has the right amount of shine and luster. Wear a thin layer on the eyelids or build it up for a more dramatic look. Layering this smooth cucumber enriched eyeshadow makes it perfect for all day wear. Cucumber. So it doesn't have a smell to it, in case you guys were wondering, but I'm sure the cucumber in it makes it just really refreshing, I guess, and just gives it a smooth application. I don't know. But this is $22, which, I mean, for me, that's a lot because I don't like liquid eyeshadows. But I mean, this would last you a really long time. So if you like liquid eyeshadows, that might be a really good price for you. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think at that price point. I'm gonna finish up my eyes off camera and then I'll be back to use this hair product. So this looks like a volumizing hair product, so I'm excited to use it. All right, guys, let's use this spray. Okay, so this is the Christoph Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. So it's just a spray. That is Christoph, right? Christoph. Okay, so it says to shake it, and I can use it on dry roots, which is good, but you can also use it on damp hair. Ooh, it comes out really quickly. And there's a lot of product on there, so I don't know if you're gonna need a whole lot. I just got my hair done today. If you see it's a little Beetlejuicy on the side, just ignore that. I think I see a difference, right? Let me read a little bit about this. This mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and olingo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volume look. And this is $39. I mean, I don't know if I saw much of a difference. Although I have a lot of hair, I don't have thin hair, so that probably just weighs it down just in general. But if you guys have heard of this product or you've used it, let me know in the comments down below if you like it. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Like I said, I mean, this box was kind of like, a little iffy for me. I did really like the eyeshadow palette, in my opinion. If you like these shades, I definitely think that this is worth it. It's a great summer and fall palette. Other than that, I would say I did kind of like the Beauty Blender for like the pointed tip, but overall, I don't know, it just didn't give me a great finish, at least compared to the blender that I am using right now. And I just don't really see the point of applying your foundation with this, because then I feel like I just wasted foundation just applying it when I could have put it directly on the sponge. But maybe I'm doing that wrong. You can correct me in the comments. The only other product that I really liked was the vitamin C mask. I thought that this did a really good job. I really saw a difference after using it. But yeah, let me know what your favorite product was. Let me know if you got your box in already and what you guys got. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Let me know if there are any other beauty box reviews that you'd like me to do. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.